Today we will be discussing the applications of mirrors and lenses.
Mirrors are a part of our everyday life. When you look into a mirror, you see reflections of yourself as well as objects nearby.
A telescope is an optical device which presents a magnified image of a distant object using parabolic mirror or lenses.
Initially, people used refracting telescope such as the Keplerian telescope and Galilean telescope, which use lenses to observe distant objects.
Keplerian telescope shows the formation of the image as the light from the object passes through a set of convex lenses.
A refracting telescope that uses a concave lens for the eyepiece is known as the Galilean telescope. This type of telescope creates an image that is larger, upright, and virtual.
The use of refracting telescopes allows the astronomer to explore distant objects. However, the use of lens becomes difficult with the attempt to gather more light by using large objective lens for telescopes.
Large lenses tend to distort its shape due to its weight. This is known as lens sag.
Light passing through a lens also experience dispersion known as chromatic aberration, which is why image produced are blurred.
Reflecting telescopes, on the other hand, uses parabolic mirrors which can be supported from the back to avoid sag and produces images without chromatic aberration.
This is why reflecting telescopes are preferred by astronomers in observing the heavenly bodies.
Figure 6 shows the path of the light ray in Cassegrain reflecting telescope. This type of reflecting telescope uses convex mirrors situated in the middle of the telescope to redirect the incoming light from the concave mirror.
This process produces a larger inverted and real image of the distant object.
Binoculars offer similar function as the telescope. They are used to view far objects. However, this instrument is handheld and has two telescopes attached to a single frame.
Each part has convex lenses in its objective and eyepiece, and a pair of 40 prisms.
Prisms are used to make the instrument shorter. It folds the light rays and inverts it to produce an image with the same orientation as the object.
Binoculars are often used to view terrestrial objects such as safari viewing, spying, and even stargazing. Although it can be used to view astronomical objects because of its wider field of view, high magnifications of the lenses will be required.
Microscopes are optical instruments that aid the eye in observing small objects. It uses a set of lenses to create a larger image for observation.
Simple microscope, known as the magnifying glass, is a single-lens optical device which can enlarge objects from 2 to 6 times its original size.
The magnification of an object can be improved by adding series or lenses into the system to create a larger view.
This is how compound microscope works. Figure 9 shows how series of lens refracts light to create a larger, upright, and virtual image with respect to the first image.
And that is the end of today's video. I hope you learned something new.